Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm not here with any tutorial video, but this video is going to be a very special video because I'm going to introduce you all to my partner in crafts, creative Kittu. Kittu loves dancing, singing. He also loves helping me in my work. Attaching a small clip to show you guys how Kittu helps me promote my artwork. You will get to watch his cuteness and naughtiness in the upcoming videos. Attaching another small clip, and I hope it brings a small smile on your face. Comment down below and let me know if you guys enjoyed Creative Kittu's introduction video and want more such videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.